In a small town called Rosario, Argentina, a little boy named Lionel Messi was born. He was small, quiet, and shy. But when he had a football at his feet, he became unstoppable. From the moment he learned to walk, he would chase after a ball. He played in his backyard, on the streets, and even inside the house, much to his mother's frustration. His older brothers played football too, and little Leo always tried to keep up with them. Even though he was smaller than other kids his age, he was faster. He could dribble past defenders like a magician, making the ball dance around his feet. His grandmother, Celia, was his biggest supporter. She always told him, "One day, you will be the best footballer in the world." Leo believed her words, and he worked hard. At just 6 years old, he joined a local football club called Newell's Old Boys, where he amazed everyone with his skills. He scored almost 500 goals for his team at a young age. People started calling him La Pulga, the flea, because he was small but fast and tricky, the challenge that almost stopped his dream. But when Leo was 10 years old, his family received bad news. The doctors told them that Leo had a medical condition that stopped him from growing properly. He needed expensive treatment to grow like other kids, but his family couldn't afford it. For the first time in his life, football couldn't solve his problem. His parents worried about his future, but Leo didn't give up. He kept playing, hoping that one day someone would believe in him. A life-changing opportunity. That chance came when a famous football club in Spain, FC Barcelona, heard about the small boy with big talent. They invited Leo for a trial. When the coach saw him play, he was amazed. He couldn't believe that such a small boy had such incredible skills. But there was a problem. Barcelona was far away in Spain. Moving there meant leaving his friends, family, and everything he knew behind. It was a tough decision, but Leo and his father took a chance. Barcelona believed in him so much that they offered to pay for his medical treatment if he joined their youth academy, La Masia. It was a dream come true, but life in Spain wasn't easy. Leo was shy, missed his home, and didn't speak Spanish well. But whenever he played football, he felt happy. From a small boy to a football king, Leo worked harder than ever. He trained every day, determined to prove himself. By the time he was 17, he made his debut for Barcelona's first team. He was still smaller than the others, but his speed, dribbling, and vision made him unstoppable. Soon, the world began to notice the young boy from Argentina. He broke records, won trophies, and became one of the greatest footballers of all time. He won the Ballon d'Or, the award for the best football player in the world, multiple times, and led Argentina to victory in many tournaments, including the 2022 FIFA World Cup. But through it all, he never forgot his grandmother's words. "One day, you will be the best footballer in the world." And she was right. Lionel Messi's story teaches us that no matter how small or weak we feel, hard work, determination, and believing in yourself can make even the biggest dreams come true.